Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can disable AI search in a Huawei phone. So there is not much you can do in terms of permanently getting rid of the AI search, since it is built in the way that just you cannot get rid of it, more or less, perhaps unless you factory reset your phone and then decide not to enable it through the Huawei assistant. But what you can do once it is active and you want to get rid of the AI search is to launch settings, then enter the Huawei assistant, open the AI search page and uncheck everything you have over here. So let's say by default everything is active and enrolled, so turn off all those toggles. Then you can just enter the search scope and turn it off as well. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.